Hello everyone, I'm back again. Yeah, so it's better to continue. The last video we learned about the basic things about simulink, where do we use it, who can use it. So now let's be a little practical and let's try to uh, build some models using simulink. So when you open your MATLAB uh, tool, you'll get this window. This is called a command window. So in order to open your simulink, either you can go this way, just click on it, you'll get into simulink, or the other way is we have to write simulink, something like this, and press enter. And I had already opened it earlier, so I got it early, else you will get somewhere here as busy. You'll have to wait for some time because MATLAB 2012b is a bit slower, so it takes some time to open this window. So as I had opened it earlier, I had minimized it, so I got it early. So let's begin with this. You can see when you open this is called a Simulink library browser. So you have, these are the tools you can use in Simulink. We have different blocks in MATLAB, like I said, different toolboxes. I'll just minimize it. This is aerospace block set. This is control system toolbox, and this is a DSP toolbox. We have different, and this is state flow. We'll be discussing state flow again. It's a very interesting topic, really very interesting. And at present, without without wasting much of time, let's begin this. So these are the most commonly used block. If I click this, these are the commonly used blocks we generally use. So in order to begin your model, first uh, you should go to this, either go to file, new, go to model, or you have an option this, it'll directly take you to a new model. When I click this, I'll get a new window. This is the place where I have to design my models, so I'll just maximize it and I'll take this. So every time it happens, like when you drag and drop this tools, this window gets disappeared. So in order to make it again, you may get irritated, so it's, I'll just show you an example how to, and even I'll show you how to overcome that. So for example, let us go to sources. Okay, I am trying to build, I'll take any signal, I'll take it as sine wave. So you can see that window disappear. So if it happens every time, a person may get irritated, so user may get irritated. So to avoid that, go to this, click here, you can see there's a pin option. You can see it blinks and got settled. It will not move now, it will not disappear now. Now what I'd like to do is, I want this thing, the signal, to be displayed, right? So for this, I'll go to sync and I'll track this scope and place it here. You can see this is still existing. It didn't disappear. And now I will connect this. Simple. When you double click on this, you will get a new window where you'll have to specify the amplitude, or I'll just minimize it, amplitude, or the time, use simulation time or use external signal, depends again. I use simulation time. I want this to be time based, and I want amplitude to be 2. I'll enter the amplitude 2. Then frequency is 1. Okay, not a problem. I'll just say okay. So the scope, it should have a signal of sine wave of amplitude 2. Let's see. Oh, where is it? Okay, 1 second. I'll have to run this. So this is the number of samples. It can be infinite too. I'll just play it. You can see it's taking time. You can see here it's running. You'll hear a beep sound, and when I double click this, you'll get a sine wave. Isn't it interesting? Yes, it's still more interesting, but